he had was able to split the screen 3 ways so we could all see a 3D walkthrough.
And even now that we've started, they have live feed 4 different cameras up. So if we're not around, this builder's here, or just to check in, see how progress is going. We are Kevin and Terry Creighton, and we live in Plymouth.
My daughter and her spouse had been looking for a home to purchase. They've been renting for a couple of years. It's expensive to rent, but every single home in their budget is in need of a new roof, a new septic, new windows, just to make it habitable. So there really was nothing in the inventory that was suitable. We heard about the ADU and started looking into that. We first went the traditional route, interviewing some builders, but we were not pleased with their communicativeness, let's just say. And we then started looking into modular options. I was online looking at all different kinds of modular options that could be conceivably dropped in. Didn't really like any of those. So then I started a deep online search for ADUs and found actually, the first time I saw BuildX was when I researched Plymouth's first ADU, because they built Plymouth's first ADU. I found them.
BuildX, they had a model right down the street, an open house that we went and we looked at that, and right from the start, the people that work for BuildX they were great. They were very helpful, very knowledgeable, no hard sell.
The Matterport, I love the Matterport. My daughter and her spouse over here, and Kevin and I were on this side, and he had was able to split the screen 3 ways so we could all see a 3D walkthrough.
And even now that we've started, they have live feed 4 different cameras up. So if we're not around, this builder's here, or just to check in, see how progress is going.
So our project manager, Michael, is great. He'll tell me when they've applied for a different permit, like the zoning permit, the building permit, electrical, whatever it is, and let us know that they've applied for it, let us know when it's approved, and he also lets us know if an inspector is going to be coming out.
My point was that we were not involved. We didn't have to
pull any permits.
They did everything. I got to give Michael props for that, because they reach out every single week, or sometimes multiple times.
Yeah, I'll hear from him as things happen, but at a minimum once a week. We built this house in '94, and our very first builder did just leave us hanging and dropping the ball, and they actually went bankrupt with just a foundation in the ground with us. But I didn't know anything. We lived an hour away at the time, and it was after calling and calling and calling that I finally got someone, and they're like, oh, we're filing for bankruptcy. That would be nice to know. But BuildX is the complete opposite of that. They keep you informed every single step of the way.
And it's everybody along the way. This project has just started, and Nick, who was running the excavator and the Bobcat out here, within 2 days, I can't believe how much work he did, but he's out there chatting with you about, well, we probably need to take down this tree or that tree, and we would take down all the trees and processing them, and he stacked them up where you wanted them, and Terry was asking about all the stumps, and he's like, yeah, no problem, whatever you guys want, I'll take care of you.
And I think that speaks to BuildX's relationship that they have with subcontractors, because Nick is a subcontractor doing the site work. So I feel like they've got a